Oh no, I'm not going. I don't trust the water, bro. I don't trust the water.
I'm taking a dip. I'm taking a dip.
What happened?
I can't swim.
You need to test out. Is that his body? What's his body?
I love the blue avatar. I mean, it's like, bro, nacho cheese. Then what are you eating?
Chef's kiss. The chef with kisses.
You need a date for Halloween, October 31st.
Chicken fried rice. This should be fun. Apartment complex. Quite simple actually.
There's a gun. There's a gun. There's a gun. There's a gun. There's a gun.
What happened? Dante, go over here. Dante, go back here. Go back here. I'll jump. You start him, okay?
Okay.
Oh no. You know what? I've had enough of you. You better not fight me, boy. I'll beat your ass. Better not fight me, boy. I'll beat your ass. What the?
Multiply.
Stop it! The gun!
We watched Terrifier. I had nightmares. Fuck cocaine.
Please, can we watch cocaine, guys? Please, it's such a good movie.
Dancing.
I think I broke my voice.
Kapag nakikita mo to, sana kapag nakikita mo to, sana kagating ka ni Cardo Dalice gamit yung tender juicy hotdog niya. Kung nakikita mo to, sana kagating ka ng isang gagamba. Ano naman kayo? Ako yung kapatid ni Superman. Alam nyo ba si Superman? Kapag buhay na buhay, ako ang
Yo, what? What do you want? What? Okay, I mean,
Fuck you.
Jacob vented. I saw Jacob vented.
What? I am using a telescope.
I saw Jacob vented, bro.
Shut your dumb ass up, bro.
I saw
Stop getting this information.
Guys.
put this on the whole game, sir.
What?
I think I know who it is.
I passed by Aaron. Aaron was doing a pass.
Then after that, Yohan vented, killed himself because he saw me.
Jay for sure, bro. My favorite part is seeing everyone scream to red.
Do it 3 times.
Bro, oh!
kung nakikita nyo to. Hello guys for ha? Ayun nga.
Oo, yun na. Ayun ko sa'yo.
Drugs! Nag-iossi si Janji! Nag-iossi si Janji!
Oh. Sana balang araw. Balang araw mo. Kapag nakikita mo to, kapag nakikita
RJ, why did it from
kapag nakikita ako ay nanggaling sa future, ako ay alien. Kapag nakikita mo to, Elijah. Kamusta ko si Rizal sa tabi.
Stop emoting!
I'm just curious what he has to say.
Ako binaril po sa ulo gamit po ang sasakyan.
Yeah.
Vlog ka na kung may... Kung nakikita niyo po to, ako po yung professional swimmer po dito. I know how to throw. Sir. Sa tingin niyo po, sino po si Spider-Man? Ako po si Batman, sorry po.
What?
It just ends like that.
Sir, kilala niyo po ba si Usain Bolt? Si Usain Bolt? Kilala ko lang po si Lightning Bolt.
Oh damn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1. Not even 4. What's that? 10, 11. He's dead. I'm dying.
Sabi po daw sa akin ni Manny Pacquiao, mag-push up daw po ako palagi. Kasi po daw si Manny Pacquiao maliit.
Why'd you insult him?
Kilala ko po kayo Manny Pacquiao. Kasi ako po si Pacman. Kung nakikita niyo po ito, may itlog tsaka hotdog po ako. Papakita ko po sa inyo.
Did you see that?
Replay.
Oh my fucking god, that fucking crow, bro.
Hold on. Ready? Here goes. Did you see him go there? I told you, bro. You fucking flung.
Ay, hindi siya yung gagawin sa...
There's a new monster. Nakakita na siya. I had to be like...
I'm gonna unmute Brandon. If he's still playing guitar, I'm gonna kill myself.
To play guitar.
I'm done. Will I just know anyone that's actually alive? I don't want my...
You won?
Yes!
You won? Whatever's happening, no matter how much death threats you send, I'd always love you. And let's please do that one song it's called.
Yes, we'll do it if you respond to me right now. What's 1 + 1 equals 2?
What's he saying? Is he screaming?
Unmute me!
Is he screaming? I want to be a good friend to you. However, I cannot do this because I'm just a simple
What is
human being.
happening?
That
What is random thing and then there's like
you wanna just say I'm
someone
sorry.
reading.
I want to be friends, and no matter what happens,
Can I actually delete this VC?
we're always.
Alright, I'm gonna delete the VC.
Yeah, we're always.
Sorry. If you don't talk right now, you're never gonna hear from me again.
Oh, yun!
Sorry.
Yun!
What am I saying right now? Ata.
Oh, Yuan, stop playing.
Sorry?
Wait.
Wait, what happened to Brandon? Is he like okay or something?
It's okay. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. I think he forgot he's in VC. Okay. Brandon. Can you talk? Okay, I'm meeting him again. Well, half of chemistry I enjoyed, the other half not so much. Didn't understand.
Oh my fucking god, who's that?
Brandon.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Ayos!
Brandon. This is not you. This is not you. This is the first time he's doing this in my how many years of knowing him.
Do you have an answer?
My bad. Okay.
What the fuck?
Where's the crowd cheering him on? There's an audience in hell.
He has his own fucking audience.
Standing ovation. Yeah!
Gago, yeah, I think I saw you!
You did!
Wait, you saw me?
Yes!
Fuck, how did I not?
Joe.
We're playing floorball. What is happening?
What the?
Putang ina.
I'm gonna fucking die. Oh my god, what the fuck's going on? Oh, okay, alright.
he going to do this until 2 a.m.?
You can play another game, pa.
He's so possessed.
You can play another one if you want.
So ass.
And then we wrap them.
Wait, no. No! Oh my god. Yummy, my buddy. Bulak! He doing a little shuffle, bro.
He needs to get alarmed.
He ain't alarmed, he's alarming.
Yeah, that's right, bitch. What you gonna do about it?
Oh, yeah.
Are you on the right? Who's that? Are you the one on the right?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Wait!
That's you, right? Yeah, are you breaking? Get out the way!
Who's this? What was that? What was that? What? Bro, what? It's over. Look at here, what do we say?
What happened? Now my daddy happy. Mama called me up, that money coming in.
Serious?
Dreams of holding you tight are the ones that keep me up at night. And I'm trying to move on, but I'm lying if I said it's done. 'Cause these dreams are